a cold, dark skin, light skin, medium tones, pumping braids, got mini afros, big lips, got tips, some of us don't, big nose contours, some of us won't, never wanna pass in a video, bro, wanna fight pretty like a Kardashian, wanna put pretty in a Martin.
Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video, as you saw by the title, we are going to be talking about some of my must-haves, must-buys from Unice Hair. They are going to be doing a Black Friday sale, and if I'm thinking correctly, I want to say the sale is going from like November 20th until the 27th, but don't quote me. Just make sure to check down in the description box below because I'll make sure to have all of the information there. Editing Tan here. The Black Friday sale has actually already started. It started on the 15th and it's going until the 24th. You can get up to $70 off plus a free hot comb with orders over $299. But then they do have a Cyber Monday sale that's starting on the 24th and goes into the 27th. And with that sale, you can get $100 off plus a free wig with orders over $299. Before we get into the video, are you subscribed? And if not, why not? Girl, go ahead and hit that button. It's free. Also, make sure you click the bell. That way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. But let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so I think I want to do like my top 5 units that I've received and reviewed from Unice Hair. And I want to say, yeah, we'll throw in like 1 or 2 honorable mentions. The first honorable mention is going to be this unit right here. Now listen, she would have made the list, but she's from the Amazon storefront and not the actual website. She's a glueless closure yaki straight bob, and she's giving me everything that I needed to give. If lace could truly melt into the scalp, you would think that this is my hair. Like, I don't care what nobody says. You would think that this is my actual hair. She is very much so giving like fresh flat iron. I wouldn't say silk press, but I would definitely say flat iron. If I ever find this unit as a 13x4 on the website, then baby, I'm gonna need her like immediately. My next honorable mention unit is gonna be this one right here, and it's their smoky deep purple ombre unit. Now I put this as an honorable mention for the girlies who like color, but they're a little bit afraid to like step all the way out there with color. You know, the ombre on this unit was done very tastefully in my opinion. I really like how it went from like the dark roots down to the purple, but I also really like the purple. The fact that it's like, you know, not too vibrant, not too bright to where it might scare somebody away. Again, I feel like this was a really good unit to try if you are somebody who wants to try color, but you're a little bit afraid to try it. Okay, so now let's go ahead and move into my 5th unit that I would recommend picking up, and it's gonna be this one right here, and it's their blonde highlights on dark hair. Now they do offer this unit in both a body wave and straight. I happen to have both, and with the straight unit I did decide to go ahead and cut some bangs into her, and then with the body wave, I mean obviously I went ahead and curled her up. This type of unit is for the girlies who are really dedicated to like the 1B hair color, but they want to try out the blondes, but they're not truly there yet, so therefore they instead go with highlight. Both the straight and the body wave are really pretty. I mean, it's pretty much the same unit except for one curls, one doesn't curl, but I would highly recommend picking up the body wave for that specific reason, the fact that it does hold a curl better than a straight unit would. I feel like body wave units are always going to be the better pick out of a body wave and a straight unit, just because it's almost like you're getting like a 2-for-1 deal, if you will. With a body wave unit, you know, you can straighten it and she'll be fine, but you know, you can also curl her and she'll have a better chance of holding the curl versus a straight unit. You feel me? Okay, now moving on to number 4, it's gonna be this one right here, and this is their ash violet with brownish baby lights wig. Y'all, when I first took this unit out of the box, I was just kind of like, I didn't know if it was gonna go like left or right. It ended up going all the way right though. Y'all, this unit is so freaking pretty. Now this unit is for my girls who are not afraid to try color. They aren't afraid to step outside of the box. This unit is for sure a showstopper type of unit. I got called Storm so many times when I wore this unit. Mind you, she's not even white like Storm's hair, but it just kind of like gives off that vibe. The hair is like a brownish color at the top, and then it goes down into this like purplish, grayish, silverish, bluish type of color. Like, I can't even really explain the color. It's just like, I don't want to necessarily say multi-dimensional, but it's just a really pretty color. I wore the unit kind of like in this type of style. I don't know, I just felt like it gave it more of a youthful look. Now it is a body wave unit, so of course you can curl it, but I don't know, I felt like straightening the unit just made it again look more youthful. I don't know, I guess I felt like the curls would have just made the unit do too much, and that's not the vibes I was going for. Okay, if I'm thinking correctly, we are now on number 3, and if so, it's going to be this one right here, and this is their Sun-Kissed Honey Blonde Highlight Unit. Now, this one is for my girlies who are not afraid of a cute little brown blonde moment. In my review, I did mention how the base of the unit, the brown of the unit, was coming very close to my skin complexion, but I felt like the highlights in it, the blonde moments in the unit, were giving it, you know, some dimension. And I don't know, I was just like really feeling it. Sorry if the angle changed or anything like that. My camera decided to die, so yeah. What I was trying to say is that I am somebody who's not afraid of color. I don't mind trying color. I actually like to try color, but when it comes to my brown blonde moments, I need them to be on point because I don't want them washing me out, and I don't feel like this unit does that to me at all. Y'all, we are really getting down to the nitty gritty of it all. Number 2 is going to be this one right here, their V-part unit. Now, I just recently did my review for this unit, and I mean, let's be for real, the ease of installing this unit and the curl pattern of this unit, like, it's very understandable why she's number 2. Between the install and then also defining the curls on that unit, I want to say it takes like all of 10 minutes. And I mean, let's be real, who doesn't love that? Okay, so we finally made it to spot number 1. And when I tell you the unit that's going for spot number 1, you're probably going to be like, girl, you can't count, but yes, I can. Yes, I can. Spot number 1 actually has 2 wigs, and they are these 2 right here. I couldn't just pick one for the number 1 spot, so I said, you know what, screw it. They can both be in number 1. We're first going to talk about the reddish brown pre-colored modern unit. Y'all, I want to say, I could be wrong, but I want to say this is my first unit from Unice. The reason why this unit is getting half of the number 1 spot is because of the color alone. I'm not even gonna lie to you. If I could only wear 2 colors of units, I would pick number 1, obviously a number 1B, a natural colored wig, and then my second pick would be a reddish brown unit. Y'all, I don't know what it is about a reddish brown unit against chocolate skin, but it's just gonna do it for me every single time. The straight layered sleekness of this unit, I don't know, she just kind of gives me like baddie, if you will, but then you turn around and you add that reddish brown on top, and it's just like, oh, it's the spice that it didn't even know it needed. Okay, and lastly, the other half to my number 1 spot is gonna be their mahogany red brown kinky curly wig. Not only is this a reddish brownish colored unit, but on top of that, it's a kinky curly unit. So of course I'm gonna be like, yes, yes, and yes. Naturally, I'm gonna love a kinky curly unit because my own hair is kinky curly, and I wear wigs as a protective style to keep my own hair protected. So when I can wear a unit that mimics my hair texture, like, I'm gonna love it. But then on top of that, to have my favorite color, the reddish brownish on it, I'm just like, yeah, I'm all for it. Now, I'm not going to sit up here and lie to you. This unit is absolutely some high maintenance work, but in my opinion, she's worth it. But yeah, these are just a few of my must buys for Unice's Black Friday sale. Let me know if you guys plan on shopping the sale. I'll make sure to have all of these units linked down below, along with each and every one of the reviews I've done for them. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell, that way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at Dotson. Again, I'll have all of this stuff linked down below, so I got you covered, sis. I got you covered. But yeah, I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.